Doing. Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kingsley Anajemba and I'm a digital marketer. I help businesses grow online using Facebook and Instagram adverts, sales funnels, websites, and landing pages. Okay, and today we'll be going a step further on my Facebook ads playlist. Alright, so today we'll be talking about the difference between a Facebook group and a Facebook page, and how to create a Facebook page. Okay, now you notice that first thing I want to point out here is that this is a presentation. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out here is that if you're on Facebook and you want to use Facebook for business, then you need to run adverts. And to run adverts, you need a Facebook page, not a Facebook group. These are two different things. A Facebook page is basically a public page where you can reach out to your clients and your fans, and you can advertise through your Facebook page. But you cannot advertise through your Facebook group. What I mean by advertising is that you cannot do paid adverts on it. Of course, if it's a very, very large group, you can, as an admin, or you can just talk to the admin and they'll let you advertise your goods. But to do paid adverts and target a specific kind of audience and attach a link or a landing page or whatever it is, you cannot do that on a Facebook group. You can only do it on a Facebook page. I see a lot of people making that mistake. Sometimes you have a business. I see people, they're like, sometimes they have a business and the next thing they do is to open a Facebook account and give it the name of their business. No, it's not like that. Okay, you open a normal account with your own name, then open a Facebook page with that business name, not a Facebook group, a Facebook page. A Facebook community is basically for Facebook group is basically for building communities like this one here. But then you have a Facebook group, okay, which is just to help you prepare your business to be able to run sponsored ads. Let me just put it that way. Okay, so creating a Facebook page is very, very easy, right? So let's do that quickly. If you're on desktop, just follow this process. If you're on your mobile device, just scroll to the bottom, or just tap the settings button. You definitely see pages there on how to create one. So just follow this. So you click this if you're on desktop and you see page, right? Click it. Now they're asking you to name this page. So let's say my Facebook ads playlists. Okay, so next time when you have a business, I think this is invalid, so let me just say my ads playlist. This should be good. Yeah, so next time when you have a business, always create a page, not a group, not an account. You create a page. All right, because you can't run adverts through a group. You can only run adverts through a Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can't run adverts. All right, even on Instagram, if you don't have a Facebook page attached to it, you can't run adverts because Facebook is the owner of Instagram and the whole ads platform has been just integrated. Okay, so now they're asking you for category. This is very, very important because it's going to help you. It's going to help your clients find you. Yeah, let me put it that way. It's going to help your clients find you, or it's going to help more people find you. Okay, so what is your category? Let's say we're sticking to the dog niche. Okay, so let's say dogs. Let's type it and see if anything comes up. Dogs. Let's say dog trainer, pets. That's the whole broad niche. Pet store. Of course, this is not a pet store. I don't know. The name can be my ads playlist, and then we're having pet store. Let me just put pet store, and then you can put in more. Let me put one more. Let me say local business. Local business. Let me see store. Let me see dog. Dog daycare center. Yeah, that goes well. All right, scroll. Description. Okay, we sell belts for dog trainers. Okay, so once someone visits your page, this is the first thing they would see. Of course, obviously, after your Facebook page name, they would see your description, so they will know more about your business, and that is it. All right, so Facebook, so they are showing you this, that this is how your page is going to look on mobile, this is how it's going to look on desktop. Okay, now we scroll down and we hit create page. Very simple. This page has been created now. Okay, so the next thing now is for you to add an image. Okay, so you could just add this what's it called, add a profile picture. This is it. This is where it's going to be, and then this one behind it is called the cover photo. Okay, so let me add one. Let me just add this one, this as a profile picture. And then let me add another one as a. Now at this point, let me say something. If you can't do something like this, it's not professional, it's not nice. I'm only doing it for the sake of this webinar or this YouTube video. If you have a business and you need a logo, normally what's supposed to be on this profile picture, this part here, is your business logo, and what's supposed to be behind is just a little detail about your business, maybe like a photo that has like lists about what you sell or something like that, or just maybe like a picture of something in your niche. Okay, so what is ideal to do is to go on Canva. There's an app called Canva. Canva is a free graphic design software. Once you go on Canva, get on there. You can also download the mobile app, sign up, right? It's free, but they do have a pro version, which you don't need. I don't think you need it, so you can do a lot. I've been using the free version for like forever, okay, and it doesn't serve me. Okay, so you jump on Canva, and then you see a search box there. So you type whatever you're looking to create. So let's say you want to create a logo, you just type logo there. Okay, in fact, if you want a video training on this, just let me know. I'm going to do it. But let me just give you a vague explanation. You type in logo there, and then they'll bring out a bunch of logo designs for your templates. Okay, this is why Canva is nice. They'll bring out a bunch of templates for a logo design template. So all you have to do is just to look at anyone. If you like it, you click on it, customize it, and make it yours. Okay. And same thing goes for its Facebook cover photo also. So you can just jump in there and type Facebook cover photo. Then they'll bring out a list for you. You see different templates. You just pick anyone that resonates with you or with your brand. You edit it and make it yours. Again, if you want that video, if you want me to make that video, comment in the section. Say it in the comment section below, and then I'll make the video. All right. So once you've done that, you have your logo, you have your cover photo. You hit save. So this is it. Our Facebook group is live. Okay. So the aim of this is so that we can run adverts on Facebook. Again, you can't run adverts with a Facebook group. And I can see this ad center, right? So on our next video, we'll be jumping in, we'll be diving further. We'll be talking about setting up we're talking about boosting posts and setting up your Facebook business manager. There's something called a business manager, okay, business account, something called a business account. So talking about setting that up, okay. And yeah, you can just edit your page, add a button, add a link on it and stuff like that. This is very, very easy. Let's not waste time on that. So on our next video, we'll be talking about boosting a Facebook post and setting up a Facebook business account. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that other people like you can find this video. It's very, very important that they find the video, right? So the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to them. All right, thank you guys. Bye.